morning. So, went to make coffee. I don't know why it just smelled like coconut there. Hi, Tess love. And my coffee machine stopped. I did buy it in 2016, so it's an old girl. And so I googled what it was doing, and there was like no answers. Yes. Yes. You getting old in your age and mouthy? Who needs a husky? I've got your loud mouth. Hi. She like never talks. And now my battery's gonna die. Hi. Oh. Queen of the laundry there. Anyway, so I have to go buy a new one, and I want the Instant Pod, and Walmart exclusively carries it, and supposedly we have a limited selection. So I'm gonna go do that. The kids are okay. So like I said, it died. And this is how I had it set up yesterday. Worked fine yesterday. It did make kind of a weird noise, but today it just kept clicking, and wouldn't go any farther. So I had already been looking at this one and thought possibly about buying it before, but as many of you know, I have a water cooler that has a built-in coffee maker in it. So I had looked at it, but I was like, nah, that's not worth it. I'd also looked at the Mr. Coffee that brews cold brew, and I realized it was silly because, in all honesty, it brews hot coffee over ice, and nobody likes watered down coffee. So, like I said, I had been looking at the Instant Pod, Hot, whatever you want to call it. I don't know which one it goes by. Yeah, I should read instructions. Anyway, I had been looking at this one and settled on this one because, yes, I do have an espresso machine. I have a coffee machine. The last one I had, we never used the carafe for, so there really wasn't a point in having another one like that. And I had originally paid $99 for that one, and I've had it since 2016, so this one at $119 I didn't think was a bad price. So while I was there, I picked up some espresso pods. I ended up buying, I think, 4 or 5 packs. They don't make many that you can pick up at Walmart. And so, except for the decaf, I got all of the ones that they make. And as you will see in a minute, I put them in a cute container. And I know it sounds really weird, but the coffee just kind of tastes more roasted in this one. I liked the way it came out. So I am cleaning out the glass container that I had yesterday, and as you can see, Xander is helping me drop the pods in here. I will give them a shake so they kind of mix up. And I was like, we need to keep the boxes because no one's ever going to know what's in them. And so each box contains, and these are Starbucks, by the way, each one contains 10 of the espresso pods. And they run just under $9 for that pack, which I don't know if that's good, but I did find a company on Amazon that Anthony seems to like the last couple of pods. I just brewed him Intensity 10 with a chai tea mix in it, and he said it was really good. So then I ended up going to their website and buying even more because they have a level 11, 12, and 13. And when I bought them through Amazon, they gave me a free gift. So I got all of this done. I have it unboxed, and I am going to drink my coffee finally. So I had Lex get me a box for the item that I sold, and I figured it would be cute to include the thank you stickers for supporting my small business and my homemade products, and I am going to ship these out. Now, I ended up putting Bubble in here, and they bought jelly also, and so I'm going to repackage it because I don't need the Bubble as much as I did. So I'm going to pack it in here, put a couple cute stickers on the outside, and efface the shipping label and get it put out. And thank you for joining us. This was pretty much all I did that day, and I literally didn't do much after that. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you tomorrow. Love you. Bye.